Hey guys, this is Firearm Man 25 here, aka Firearms from Michigan, aka I like big first and I cannot lie. However, though, that next week that channel name will be changed back to Firearm Freak. I apologize about I like big first and I cannot lie. That was beyond my control. And I also apologize for making weird videos the last week too. I've been making a lot of Mr. Bear videos and all kinds of weird videos. Church supper videos. That church supper video I made was based on a real church supper I used to go to, where they said, "May I have your attention, please?" and they pray. I'm just having fun. I don't know why I've been doing that, but we are doing a firearm video today. That's right. We're gonna be testing some of my arms in my collection, and not sure if you're aware of this, but I did film a firearm going off this morning. There was a bell going off. I don't know the brand of the bell though. I heard around 7:59 a.m. Then at 9 a.m. it was still going off, so I finally decided to go over there. It's on Center Road, and I couldn't find the bell though because it was in an area where I couldn't go and film. But I don't know the brand of bell though. I wish I could have got a close up, but I got an audio of it, which is perfect. But I will be testing some alarms in my collection. We're gonna start with this one. Simplex 493. Cash 9236. Horn strobe, if I can get it in the upward position. I wonder if it's gonna sound, the wire could be, ooh, don't fall over. Let's try this. My camera's not picking up the strobe that good, but that's okay though. This one is not that loud, and I don't know why. This one's actually pretty quiet. Let me see that again. Let me see that again. Okay, didn't make that noise because it fell over for a second, but there's alarm number one. Alarm number two. And by the way, some of my alarms, like this Simplex remote strobe, doesn't work. And this one, I can't even get the battery department open, so yep. Our next alarm will be this guy. And this guy is the loudest this one's actually one of the loudest ones I have in my collection. You can hear this one really far away. I don't know if the wire's loose, we'll see if it works. That one's super loud. There's that guy. My next alarm will be the bell. The bell will be next. And it is very cold here in Michigan today. It's like below zero. It sucks. Bell's not ringing like it should. It sounds weird. Sounds like when it stops ringing, it doesn't make that full sound it should. Next alarm will be a very antique, well, I wouldn't call it antique, but it's pretty old, super old Nighthawk carbon monoxide alarm. This is from 1998. Come on. Why isn't it working? The heck? I can't get the test button down. I don't know, guys, why this ain't going. So the test button won't respond. I'm trying to hold it, folks. I don't think this thing works. Oh, something happened. It's beeping, but it's not like... The heck? I don't think this thing works. It used to work when I tested it, but... See, it's beeping weird. See, I'm gonna push it as hard as I can. See, I cannot get, see, forget this one. This one I guess quit working. I mean, I can't get the test one. It's not responding to the test, so either the bun's messed up or the arm just quit working. My next arm will be this thing. This thing I just got maybe a month ago. It's the first alert. Oh, there's Mr. Bear. Actually, this one will work for me. This one is not that loud. That's not good. Let me hear that again. Maybe I can't get it. Yeah, this thing's not that loud at all. I bet I could sleep for this. I think that thing as loud as my Simplex 49 for SN8236. Now we go to the smoke detectors. And then that will be it because that's the only alarms I have left. And I gotta put these away. This one don't work. Smoke detector time, folks. Then I want to show you one more thing. One more alarm that doesn't work for me. My 4040. I have a 4040. And it doesn't work. But let's get the battery in the smoke if I can get it. Crap. Let me try this battery. Positive and negative. Shoot. Why isn't the battery fitting in this? What the Isn't it working? See, now my arms are working. Positive. Okay, that's positive, that's negative. There it goes. Okay, good, there it goes. Now let's test it. That one. Last smoke detector. Positive, negative, okay. And I had another smoke detector someplace, but I don't know what happened to it. So, now I want to show you something. 4040. Now this is a tangled mess, so I have to bring the frickin' bag over here. I'm not untangling that right now. When I plug in the 4040, I'm not sure if I'm underpowering it, overpowering it, or it's just no good or the alarm's dead. But listen to this crap. Plug it in, listen to this. Just listen. Makes that noise. So maybe you can tell me about that noise. Let me know. Please. Anyways, that's going to be it for the video. I had one more FireX smoke detector, or Family Guard I think it was, but it works, but I don't know where it is though right now, so I think I make a clue, but I forgot to take the battery out of this. But yeah, some of my alarms don't work. This one, I don't know how to get the battery to put fan open. Has to be a way, but I'll figure out later. Maybe I'll test it for you. But some of my alarms don't even work, folks. So some do. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I liked it. That's gonna be it. Bye bye.